Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the category wise cutoff for male and female for all the IITs of India. So this is a very important video for all the students. Here I will discuss the fee structure, average package, highest package and ESTD for every IITs of India. So watch this video till the end to get all the information related to the cutoff for all the IITs of India. It is very important regarding the JOSA counseling of 2020. So if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section, and for many such videos check the I button as well as the description box. And if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. So let's start the today's video. With number 23 IIT, that is IIT Dharbad. It was established in 2016 and here is the cutoff for boys and girls. General category cutoff across branches for boys goes to 10.5 thousand and for girls it is 16,000. And for OBC category, for male 4,000, for female 7,000. For ST category, for male 2,000, for female 3,000. And for ST category 800 for male, 900 for female. That is category rank. Here I am discussing the category rank. So the EWS male cutoff goes to 1100 and there is no seat reserved for female. And now there is no data available for average package or highest package as the college was established in 2016. So first batch of this college is yet to pass, and the fee for this college is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next IIT is number 22 IIT Bhilai. It was established in 2016. Here is the cutoff for male and female. The general category cutoff for male goes to 10,000, for female 17,000, for OBC 4,000 for male, 7,000 for female, and for SC 2,000 for male, 3,000 for female, and for ST 800 for male and 1,000 for female, and for EWS 1,200 for male and there is no seat reserved for girls. And the same reason the college was established in 2016, so the first batch is yet to pass, so the average and highest package data is not available, and the fee is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next IIT is IIT Jammu. It was also established in 2016. There is the cutoff for general category 13,000 for male, 21,000 for female. Across branches, these are the cutoff for across branches. The highest cutoff that is possible for a particular college. The OBC 5,000 for male and there is no seat for female. And for SC category, the boys cutoff goes to 3,000, for girls 4,000, for ST 1,200 for boys and there is no seat reservation for girls. And for EWS 1,500 for boys, 3,000 for girls. And now the fee is 1.2 lakh per year. Now the number 20. Now the number 20 IIT is IIT Tirupati. It was established in 2015 and here is the cutoff 12,000 for general category boys and 17,000 for girls, and 4,000 for OBC boys, 6,000 for girls, 2,200 for SC male and 2,500 for female. For ST 900 for male, 1,100 for female. For EWS 1,300 for male and 1,800 for female. Now the average package is 10 lakh per year, highest package 25 lakh and the fee is 80,000 per year. Now the next is Number 19 IIT, that is IIT Palkot. It was established in 2015. The cutoff for general category boys goes to 11.5 thousand, for girls 17,000, for OBC 4,000 for male, 7,000 for female. For SC category, the boys cutoff goes to 2,000, for girls 3,000. Now, for ST category, 800 for boys and 1,000 for girls. Now for EWS, 1200 for boys, 1700 for girls. Now the average package is 10 lakh per year, highest package 22 lakh, and the fee is 2.1 lakh per year. Now the next is number 18, ISM Dhanbad. It was established in 1926, and the cutoff for general category male goes to 13,000, female 19,000. For OBC, 5,000 for male, 7.5 thousand for female. And for SC, 3,000 for male, 4,000 for female. And for ST, 1,000 for male, 1,200 for female. And for EWS, 1,500 for boys, 3,000 for girls. Now the average package is 15 lakh per year, highest package 40 lakh, and the fee is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next is number 17, IIT Mandi. It was established in 2009, and the cutoff for general category boys goes to 12,000, for girls 19,000, for OBC 5,000 for male, 7,000 for female, and for SC 2,700 for male, 3,500 for female, and for ST 1,100 for boys, 1,500 for girls. And for EWS, the boys cutoff goes to 1,500, and there is no seat reserved for female. And the average package 13 lakh per year, highest package 40 lakh, and the fee is 2.1 lakh per year. Now the next is number 16, IIT Goa. It was established in 2016, and the general category cutoff goes to 9.5 thousand for boys, 16,000 for girls, 3,600 the cutoff for OBC boys, and 7,000 for girls. And for SC boys 1,600, girls 3,000. For ST boys 700, and girls also 700. Now for EWS, the boys cutoff is 1,000 and girls also 2,000. Sorry, for girls it is 2,000. And the average package, highest package data is not available, and the fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now the next is number 15, IIT Indore. It was established in 2009. The cutoff for general category boys 10,000, girls 16,000, OBC 4,000 for boys, 7,000 for girls. For SC boys 2,000, girls 3,000, and for ST 1,000 for boys and 1,200 for girls. For EWS there is no seat reserved, and average package 22 lakh per year, highest package 50 lakh per year, and the fee is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next is number 14, that is IIT Jodhpur. It was established in 2008, and the general category cutoff goes to 12.5 thousand, girls 19,000, OBC 5,000, boys, girls 7,000, SC boys 3,000, girls 3,000, and for ST boys 700, and for girls 1,300. Now for EWS 1,500 for boys, 2,200 for girls. Now the average package is 16 lakh per year, highest is not available, and fee is only 70,000 per year. Now the next is IIT Patna, that is 13 number. It was established in 2008, and the cutoff for general category boys 12,000, girls 20,000, OBC 4,200 for boys, 7,200 for girls. For SC boys 2,500, girls 3,200. For ST both cutoff is 1,000, and for EWS 1,300 for boys, and no seat for girls are reserved. Average package 15 lakh per year, highest package 59 lakh, and the fee is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next is number 12 IIT, that is IIT Hyderabad. It was established in 2008, and the cutoff for general category boys 7,000, girl 12,000, OBC 3,000 for boys, 5,500 for girls, SC 2,000 for boys, 2,500 for girls, and for ST 800 for boys, 900 for girls, and for EWS the boys cutoff 700 and no seat reserved for girls. Average package 22 lakh per year, highest package 60 lakh, and the fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now the next is number 11, IIT Gandhinagar. It was established in 2008, and the general category cutoff for boys 9,000, girls 15,000, OBC 4,000 for boys, 7,500 for girls, SC 2,500 for boys, 3,000 for girls. For ST 1,200 for boys and no seat for girls. For EWS 1,100 for boys and no seat for girls. Average package 9 lakh, highest package 40 lakh, fee is 2.6 lakh per year. Now the next is number 10, IIT Roper. It was established in 2008, and the general category boys cutoff goes to 11,500, for girls 17,000, OBC 4,000 for boys, 7,500 for girls, SC 2,200 boys, 3,200 girls, and for ST 1,100 boys, 1,200 girls. For EWS 1,200 boys, 1,300 girls. Average package 14 lakh, highest package 17 lakh, and fee is 2.3 lakh per year. Now, the number 9, IIT Bhubaneswar. It was also established in 2008, and the cutoff for general category boys 11,500 and for girls 18,000. For OBC 4,000 for boys, 7,500 for girls, and for SC 2,000 for boys, 4,000 for girls. For ST 1,000 for boys and no seat for girls. For EWS 1,300 for boys and no seat for girls. Average package 16 lakh, highest package 43 lakh, and the fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now the next is number 8, IIT Varanasi or IIT BHU. It was established in 1919. The cutoff for general category boys 12,000, girls 20,000, OBC 4,500 for boys and 8,000 for girls. For SC 3,000 for boys, 4,000 for girls, and for ST 1,200 for boys, 1,500 for girls. For EWS boys 1,500, girls 2,500. Average package 10 lakh per year, highest package 60 lakh per year, and the fee is 2.3 lakh per year. Now the next is number 7, IIT Roorkee. It was established in 1847, and the cutoff for general category boys 10,000, girls 16,000, OBC 4,500, boys and girls 7,500. For SC 2,500 for boys, 3,500 for girls. For ST 1,000 for boys, 1,200 for girls. For EWS 1,200 for boys, 1,500 for girls. Now the average package is 13 lakh per year, highest package 62 lakh per year, and the fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now the next is number 6, IIT Guwahati. It was established in 1994, and the cutoff for general category boys 8,600, 13,000 for girls, OBC 4,000 for boys, 6,300 for girls, SC 2,400 for boys, 3,200 for girls. For ST 1,000 for boys, 1,100 for girls, and for EWS 1,100 for boys, 1,800 for girls, and the average package is 11 lakh per year and highest 35 lakh, and the fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now the next is number 5, IIT Kanpur. It was established in 1959, and the cutoff for general category boys goes to 6,000, girls 12,000, OBC 3,400 for boys and 6,000 for girls. For ST 2,300 for boys, 3,000 for girls. Now for ST 1,000 for boys, 1,200 for girls, and for EWS 500 for boys, 1,500 for girls. Average package is 11 lakh per year, highest package 20 lakh, and fee is 2.2 lakh per year. Now the next is number 4, IIT Kharagpur. It was established in 1951, and the cutoff for boys general category 9.5 thousand, 14,000 for girls. For OBC boys 3,000, girls 7,000. For SC boys 2,000, girls 3,000. For ST boys 1,000, girls 1,200. For EWS boys 1,000 and no seats for girls. Average package 15 lakh per year, highest package 28 lakh per year, and the fee is only 82,000 per year. Now the number 3 college is IIT Delhi. It was established in 1961. The boys cutoff for general category goes to 6.5 thousand, for girls 10,000, for OBC boys 3,000, and for girls 6.5 thousand. For SC category boys 2,000, girls 3,000. For ST category boys 1,000, girls 1,100. For EWS boys 700 and for girls 1,700. Average package is 16 lakh per year, highest package 1.4 crore per year, and the fee is 2.25 lakh per year. Now the next is IIT Bombay. It was established in 1958, and the general category cutoff for boys 5,000, girls 9,000, OBC 3,000 for boys, 5,000 for girls, ST 1,700 for boys, 2,200 for girls, ST 800 for boys, 1,100 for girls, and for EWS 500 for boys, 900 for girls, and the average package is 20 lakh per year, highest package is 1.16 crore per year, and the fee is 2.1 lakh per year. Now the next is number 1 IIT, that is IIT Madras. It was established in 1959, and the boys cutoff goes to 11,000 across branches, and for girls 15,000. For OBC 4,300 for boys, 6,700 for girls. For SC 2,400 for boys, 2,800 for girls. ST 1,100 for boys, 1,200 for girls. EWS 1,300 for boys, 2,000 for girls. And the average package is 16 lakh per year, highest package 1.33 crore per year, and the fee is 75,000 per year only. So that's it about the cutoff and average package, highest package, fee structure for all the 23 IITs of India. Hope you find this video useful and like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks.